Good afternoon again, team. Again, it's Friday and it's very sunny out there, and it's very conducive to doing some vlogs like this to really add up to the bright day that we have right now. I'd like to talk about something that's very close to my heart because I'm a mining engineer. I graduated from, modesty aside, the best engineering school in the Philippines, Mapua Institute of Technology. And I passed the board exam a year after graduation. And mining actually is a major industry here in the Philippines. In the past, we are known as a top gold producer. In fact, even before graduation, I worked in the biggest mining company here in the Philippines. So I worked in underground mines in Baguio City, up north. And it was the most adventurous job that I ever had. Imagine, day on day, you have to be half a kilometer underground. And you can just imagine the adventure that may come your way. So I'd like to honor all the miners, the mining engineers that we have. You are doing a very great job, and you are actually heroes because aside from doing a lot of sacrifices, I know you are also protecting the environment in compliance with the environmental laws that we have in the Philippines. And I'm glad to say that each administration, whatever ideology or leaning that they may have, all our presidents in the past and at present are very concerned about the environment. The Filipinos are environment loving people. We Our spiritual upbringing uh, allow us to enjoy the natural God-given environment that we have. And as a people, we do not destroy the natural beauty that was created by God. So again, this is a simple conversation. I just would like to let you guys know that the mining industry contributes around a little less than 2% of the country's GDP, whereas compared to, let's say, the BPO industry where I am right now, we contribute around 7.58% to the GDP. But nevertheless, the Philippines is the number two nickel producer as we speak in the world. And nickel is a primary component of steel, which is a basic component uh, in industrialization, right? And you cannot imagine anyone, any country, any progressive country not needing steel, right? Definitely, Philippines play an important role in this aspect, distributing or providing the world with minerals that we in the Philippines have been mining way back. So the Philippines, and I'm proud to say, is an important player in the mining industry towards world progress, not only national progress but world progress. And again, I mentioned already about the many sacrifices of the Filipinos, the miners, the mining engineers, who risk their lives just to make this industry going. And there are some parallelism within the BPO industry wherein our agents, most of them very young people, sacrifice working at night just to ensure that they put food on their tables. And kudos to the Philippine government as well for supporting not only mining and the BPO industry, but all the other industries. There might be some political intramurals, but as a nation, we support these major industries and all the other industries that we have in the Philippines. And I'm proud to say that we are on the right track. We are a world power in mining, as I mentioned, and we have experts who are all around the world teaching other experts in other countries about our experience in mining. So again, this is something close to my heart. Uh, the mining industry in the Philippines is a major contributor to the Philippine progress. Thank you, guys.